All right, so here's what we have going on this morning. Long BFRG, long WEBL, and just bought into the gold. I am long gold. I do have a target up here on the gold at, let's see here, at 2005. So on the gold, we have what we call an HF2 buy, HF2 buy. You come down to 1996, that'll put me into an HF1 short. HF1 short. All right, so long gold, long BFRG and WBL. Let's see what else we have here. Not much really making new highs right now. Let's look at GNS. That's one that's been on and off our radar for a while. I don't like GNS. Looks like GNS wants to go lower. And take that off my radar. I don't like GNS. Nice, Cam. You're only up 600 BF. What do you mean you're only up? That's good. BFRG. All right, also in WEBL. Doesn't seem to be doing too much yet. Hey, bought WEBL at 898. 898, right up here where these sellers are. Well, let's see here. I think we're going to get through that. See, it may not happen until after the opening. All right, so I'm just kind of scanning here and seeing if I see anything else that is popping up on our radar. Right now, everything's pretty quiet. DLX, that's a pretty good mover this morning. 1.7 mil on the volume. Not too bad of a spread on the bid ask. Good morning, Glenn. I think we fixed the audio issue. That was my fault. I've got a default that is defaulting to mute. I got to fix that. Oh boy. Always something. Anyway, how you doing, Glenn? All right, so working on long gold, working WEBL long, BFRG working long. Pretty quiet so far this morning. WBL just kind of died. Very, very, very quiet. Pull to 1 minute. I think we're going to start moving here after the opening. We still have another 10 minutes before the opening bell. Probably see some buyers coming in into a WBL. Also, 5.6 mil on this BFRG. That's probably going to get some attention here after the opening. BFRG is an AI stock. AI stocks have really been hot. All right, just put another one on BFRG, adding to my BFRG. This could be a little bit longer play on BFRG. Wouldn't be surprised to see it pull back down to around the 690 area. And it's getting pretty close to that. WEBL. Still on the gold. Oh, looks all right. Still pretty quiet on the gold. All right, I think we're just gonna kind of coast there until the opening. Another 7 minutes. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, you were up 1,020 on BF. Hey, but you still made 600, man. That's still good. You did good. Okay, I just bought some BFRG in here. I just added to my BFRG. I think after the opening, I think we're gonna run again. Would be my best guess. I had it again at 96. Added some more 96. I said, I don't see anything else moving in here that I really like. Nothing I'm excited about. Right, I think gold just hit our target. Let's look at our long gold. Gold did hit its long target, so this is what I want to watch. I want to watch and see what it's going to do up here. Oh, 05 was my target on the gold. All right, I can actually see gold coming up to 0560. I have several targets up here. 7.5. What is that? Let's see here. Let's see what we have here. Running a quick calculation on gold. I'm seeing one additional target.
RMCS.
All right, be right back. Oh, that's what's my notification. No, cancel. All right, so you were in that gold, huh? You took the gold too? Yeah, nice trade on the gold. What I'm thinking on this gold, I think we could come up to 07, 07, 07 and a half. I'm hanging tight here for a little bit longer. I'm thinking gold's going to come up a little bit. I normally like to get out of that first target, but I do like what I'm seeing on gold. I mean, that's 7.5. That's 7.5 is pretty solid. I think we can get up there. So I'm going to watch gold just a little bit longer. Sitting at 05 right now. Let's see if we can get up to 7. BFGR, as I mentioned earlier, is probably going to take off right after the opening, and it is, and it's looking good. Okay, we blasted through all levels. I'll take my profit up here. Out of BFRG, still in WEBL. WBL has been one of those been moving a little bit slow. Oh wow, gold is taking off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to exit on this gold. Let's jump it, look at gold real quick. WBL is moving kind of slow. Let's see here. Gold. Gold's up to 5.6. INC1. You know what? I've got almost $100 made in this gold. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my profit on my gold. And they did hit my first target. That's where I wanted to get out. So I'm going to stick to that. I still think it's going to come to 7, 7.5 on gold. And I want to keep it on WEBL. Still in WEBL. You're getting more snow up there, Glenn, in North Dakota. And you're getting spring and June. Man, I'll tell you. Is that the most, I mean, is this a pretty, is this a lot of snow compared to for what you're used to, or is this pretty normal? Not getting any snow in Texas. They said we were supposed to get up to 92 yesterday. I don't know if we hit that, but we're already starting to get hot here in Texas. So typical Texas, we don't have seasons here. It's either hot or cold. That's it, period. All right, let's see if there's anything else on our radar here. Let's see. Oh, I could have stayed in that hall, huh? BFRG, yeah. It's in the halt. Well, you know what? I mean, I'm glad I added. Turned out to be a beautiful trade. I would have liked to have been in there during the haul, but probably got out right before the haul. That's okay. I still did well. The thing with these halts, is it gonna open up? There's gonna be a flush right after the halt. Who knows? Can always go both ways, right? I mean, it just took out all my levels. I mean, it just blasted right through those levels. All right. WEBL, what are you gonna do for me? Let's watch WEBL. Still have some nice patterns set. I still have my pattern set it up nicely in WEBL. I'm seriously thinking about adding a little bit in here on WEBL. I think I will. All right, add a little bit more on my WEBL. At 88. Let's see, BFRG's out of halt. There you go. Look at that. Crazy. No, we did the right thing getting out. I mean, it's still above my targets, but it's pretty wild. Looking at a minute, a little bit better view there. It's like buyers are taking over again. Don't have any really heavy selling till you get up to $9 even. I want to keep an eye on WBL, but it looks like I do have a buy right now, but okay, forget it. It set up and it already took it out. Well, here's another one. Okay, I have another one on BFRG. All right, I'm going to say 863. I could see an 863. Also have another one just set up at 860. But it looks like you're gonna get a pullback first here, so got to be careful. Be careful on BFRG. I wouldn't be buying yet. Also, we'll pull back down to around the 810 area, right down in here. All right, WEBL.
IBS.
HIBS. So that's one that's popped up on our radar before. HIBS.
HIBS.
HIBS making new highs. Little light on the volume. I don't like it. Yeah, HIBS. Nothing there. I don't see anything there. JDST is my favorite. JDST. Man, I'm not seeing anything on JDST. Let that go. All right.
HIBS.
Wow. I don't like it. I don't see anything here on JDST. $300,000. I mean, on volume, pretty. Yeah, it's pretty quiet, but man, charts don't look good on that. So, all right. I don't think I'm going to be in JDST today. It's all right. RIOT was one I had on my radar. Let's look at RIOT. Nothing there. Looks pretty evenly balanced to me. APE was one. Now APE looks like it also wants to come down a little bit. All right, so let's go through our little disclaimer here. Once again, what you're seeing here, this is for entertainment reasons only. This is not, I am not a trading advisor. I do not trade people's funds, nor do I give financial advice. What I'm demonstrating here is what I have, my approach to trading, which I've used for the last 35 years of my 40-year career. I've narrowed things down to two specific tools. I use a set of patterns. For one, Einstein, which is a formula number 2. Einstein provides me with the levels. The patterns set me up for buys and shorts. For stocks right now, I'm just focusing on buys, though I love shorts. I'm I'm more, I always lean a lot more to shorts than anything else. So I do a lot more selling in the indices. But right now, I'm focusing just on buys on these stocks. I don't have anything. I'm out of gold already. We did have a nice little buy in gold. Let's just take another look at gold to see what that's doing here. So once again, this is for entertainment purposes only. Once again, do not follow me or anybody else blindly. The key to trading is you want to learn how to trade yourself. I am extending this if you would like to. Now I do go through Zoom. Zoom has no delay. When I'm going through YouTube, there is going to be a delay, just the way they're set up. But if you would like to participate in the Zoom room and watch me trade live for the additional 2 hours after we hit the top of the hour here, I do trade for 3 hours every morning. You can do that by visiting my website. I don't believe that option is available yet. I don't think the web people put that on the website yet. But if you'd like to join me, it's inexpensive. It's $50 a month. And you can watch me trade for 2 hours. It's good education, so you can watch it live. There's no delay. And you're going to be able to track my trades as I'm trading here, trading stocks, trading commodities like the indices, do some gold, do some natural gas, do a little bit of crude. And then, of course, we also do a little bit on the Forex. More so in the evenings. I do a lot more evenings trading on Forex. But right now, I'm just focused on the stocks, WEBL. Wait a minute. Did want to look at something here real quick. I wanted to see. Yeah, natural gas. Possibly, I'm going to be keeping an eye. I do want to keep an eye on natural gas. I do want to keep an eye on natural gas. I am getting a short on the mini NASDAQ. So let's take a look at that real quick. I am getting a mini NASDAQ, and I think I'm catching it right in time here. All right. Not going to go too crazy on this short. It's going to bring me down to a target of 132.05 and a half. So let's put that in here. 132.05 and a half. Mini NASDAQ. All right. So my target's going to be down here, 132.07 and a half. Let's see, let's make that one. Yeah, 132.07 and a half. Yeah. I wouldn't even think about reversing unless we came up to 133.20. We are in an HF3 short. This is called HF3 short pattern with we reverse go up to 33.20. That's going to put me in an HF1 buy. All right. We have the Dow down 45. Got the mini Russell down 9. We got the E-mini S&P down 2. And I am short the mini NASDAQ. little bit heavier on the short side right now, but not seeing a huge imbalance here. So we're going to continue to hold on to that short. May have a short on natural gas, but we're not really close yet. That is possibly setting up a pattern here for a short. We're going to keep an eye on that. Yeah, I see BFRG set up some really nice. I mean, we're setting up some patterns. We're setting up some buys here on BFRG. But be careful. Looking at BFRG real quick again. Yeah, I'd be real careful on that one. I want to keep an eye on, I already did well on BFRG. Going to stay away from that. I mean, anything, I mean, you could have another big flush again on that. So I'd be really careful. All right, still working my WEBL after adding. MVST maybe, not right now. BRN was one we traded the other day. BRN could go higher, but I'm not going to stay away from that for right now. Just not enough volume. BRY was on the radar, just not enough volume. NINE was good to me. Not seeing anything on NINE. NFTG. Not seeing anything on any NFTG. GFAI. It's a good one. Do not see anything there. SOUN was on my radar. I'm going to keep that up. I'll watch that today. Sealed CDLX. We'll watch that. BBAI, another AI stock. And I don't see anything I like there. What is that? BFGR? BFRG. Crazy. Gotta be careful. All right, so nothing. I think I'll just leave that alone for the rest of the day. Oh, I heard JDST.
JBST.
This may just be a pullback on JBST, but a possible buy coming in at 580. Possible buy at 580. Still at 78. Just kind of looking around a little bit. NGL. CCO. No, I don't see anything. SCCO. Well, man, there's a lot of on 28 mil already on SCCO. Yeah, it's a little bit too volatile for me right now. Let's look at that. Heavier volume as we come down to around 42.40. Then you have some heavy selling coming in up here at 50, up to 55. Yeah, let that one go. Looks like it's going to pop up a little bit, but yeah, it's moving around too much for me. Again, APE. I'm going to take it off my radar. Don't like APE. FRGT.
JBST.
FRGT did hit a level earlier, but I don't like it. I'm just going to take that one off my radar completely. I'll probably buy a little bit of JDST here at 580. I'm not going to go crazy with it though. 580. All right. Have an alert to keep an eye on it. All right. So the only thing I have on WBL, still on WBL. Seems to be holding in pretty good. All right, so we are already at the top of the hour. And the only thing I have carrying on is going to be WBL. We'll continue on in our live Zoom room. For everybody else, please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up. Do share this with others. Also, if you have any questions, the best way to get a hold of me is via my website, innovatortradingstrategies.com. Don't forget, I do have that 40% off special going on right now. I do offer 3 packages. Well, I will teach you how to do this. If you're not willing to purchase a package right now, that's fine. You can still follow me every morning via Zoom. There is no delay for the first 3 hours of the day. That is not on the website, so you're gonna have to ask, you're gonna have to request that for right now until they get that posted up there. And WBL is on the move. All right, but I'm gonna shut her down. All right, looks like JDST. I don't see anything on JDST. Nothing yet. All right. And WBL's. All right, so I'm going to wrap it up here. That's going to be it for today. We'll continue on in our live trading room via Zoom. And everybody have a good day. We'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. Don't forget, I will do an update at the end of the day, so be watching for that. If you're hit that notification bell, you'll be first to be notified. Y'all have a nice day.